The following is brought to you by PaulAkers.net.
Hey everyone, I'm going to challenge everyone, the face-off challenge. I'm restocking this right now and putting the kanban in, and I'm just looking, sloppy or precise. Start facing things off, bringing everything forward to the line that it belongs to. This is going to make us more sensitive to the details instead of just putting things randomly anywhere. This applies to everything in our facility. Start paying attention to all the details. It'll be good for all of us. Okay? Thank you. Okay. Before and after. Let's take pride in everything we do. Everywhere we go, start noticing the details. Notice the details.
Brought to you by PaulAkers.net, where you'll find all Paul's books and lean resources for free, including the new 2-second Lean Play app, like Audible, but free. To listen to Lean is Lean on the 2-second Lean Play app at PaulAkers.net.